Have you ever wondered why Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, spins so slowly despite its proximity to the Sun? Well, it's a fascinating tale, steeped in the mysteries of our universe, and one that's sure to pique your curiosity. Mercury, named after the Roman deity known for speed, ironically doesn't live up to its namesake when it comes to its own rotation. It takes a staggering 59 Earth days for this tiny planet to complete one rotation on its axis. That's right, a day on Mercury lasts 2 months here on Earth. And if that's not peculiar enough, here's another mind-boggler. Mercury has an exceptionally eccentric or oval-shaped orbit, which results in a phenomenon known as a solar day that lasts a whopping 176 Earth days. This means it takes almost half a Mercury year from sunrise to sunrise. Now, you might be thinking, Mercury must be scorching hot being the closest planet to the Sun, right? Well, you're not wrong, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Mercury's surface can indeed reach temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. However, due to the lack of atmosphere to trap the heat, at night, the temperatures plummet to a freezing minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature shift more extreme than anywhere else in the solar system. Speaking of extremes, Mercury also boasts the largest known cliff in the solar system, the Great Cliff, which stretches over 620 miles long and up to 2 miles high. Scientists believe this geological marvel formed as Mercury's core cooled and contracted. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it's not the hottest. Venus, our neighbor, holds that title due to its thick heat-trapping atmosphere. Moreover, Mercury is also a planet of many firsts. It was the first planet observed with a telescope by Galileo Galilei in the 17th century, and the first planet to be visited by a spacecraft, NASA's Mariner 10, in the year 1974. To sum up, Mercury is a planet of paradoxes. It's the smallest planet but has a long day. It's closest to the Sun but not the hottest, and despite its tiny size, it hosts the largest cliff in the solar system. It's a world of extremes and firsts, offering us a unique perspective into the workings of our incredible universe. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, spare a thought for little Mercury, a tiny world with a big story to tell.